What's up? What's up? It's your girl J. Kels. Let's make sesame teriyaki salmon using our cast iron skillet. Start by drying off your salmon, using some sea salt. Yep, a little bit of black pepper as well. Shake, shake, shake. Garlic powder. Top that baby off. Add some Creole seasoning. And of course, we're going to put some paprika on top just for the color because it doesn't really give us any flavor. I'm going to go ahead and flip our salmon over and repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Make sure you also pick that salmon up and get the seasoning on the sides of your salmon as well. You want to share the love, share the love, share the love. Now on our piping hot griddle of our cast iron skillet, we're going to go ahead and lay down some oil. You can use avocado oil if you like. If not, extra virgin olive oil works as well. Lay it face down. Yes. Now while that's cooking, let's go ahead and make the sauce. So we're going to add some chili paste into a bowl. A little bit of soy sauce. Ginger paste, sesame oil, and of course a tad bit of rice vinegar. A little bit of brown sugar, light brown sugar that is. And you're going to go ahead and mix that all together, and that is what we're going to top our delicious salmon off with. Now let's go ahead and flip our salmon over. Let's see what we're looking like. Ooh, there you go, baby. I'm going to go ahead and put some butter in our cast iron skillet with some avocado oil. All right, we're going to go ahead and put our salt on top of the salmon. Be generous, because this is delicious. You're going to want some in every single bite, so go ahead and be generous on it. All right, going to go ahead and baste the salmon with our butter. And that is it. We're going to put it on our cutting board to rest. While it's resting, let's go ahead and put our onion and lemon in our cast iron skillet. With our salmon, we're going to have a side of grilled asparagus as well. If you would like a tutorial on how I make my pan-seared grilled asparagus, go ahead and stroll on my YouTube page and you will find that tutorial. It's very easy and educational. This your girl J. Kels. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, all that nice stuff. You all now be blessed.